Just wait. Yeah. Now we'll start. Nothing page number, please, children. Just keep all the books away, fold your hands, or keep your hands on your desk. Now, just look at the screen, nothing to write. Tick the correct, already we are late. Tick the correct word pair, pair. Now, I'm going to ask one by one. Now, don't tell the answer before your turn, okay? Just you have to wait for the call. Now, bat and there is a word pair, okay? Don't come in between, please. Stamp, ball, wickets. Now, I want Abisha to tell me the correct answer. Bat and dash. Which is the correct pair? Word pair. Abisha. Abisha. Please, can you tell? Bat and dash. Which is the correct answer? Stamp, ball, or wickets? What will you say? Correct word pair. Pair. Like shoe and socks. Yeah.
Ball, ma'am.
Ball. Now listen, others, don't help her out. Now next one is Adonia. Can you tell me, read the second one and tell me the correct answer? Second one. Adonia, are you there? Now Artrika. Artrika. Just
Yes,
read the second one. Yes, please read. Bow and
dash.
now tell me the correct pair of it.
Okay,
Tell
ma'am.
me. Bow and
Bow and
yeah. You just butter, bread and butter, we'll say. Bread, butter. So bow and
arrow.
very good. Think and tell, okay? Now, next person is Getsia. Can you tell me salt and read the third one with the answer? Don't tell dash.
Salt and pepper.
Very good. See how you know that? Very good. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
Juansri, read the fourth one with the answer from the choice. Juansri,
Those that
fourth one.
those that did those.
Jake, fast. Jake, read fourth one with the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Those and
Kevin Johnson 2A. Fourth one, read the question and the answer together. Kevin. Those and windows. Good. Just don't write anything. Okay, good. Now,
those.
excuse me. Anandet.
Ma'am, what page number, ma'am?
Who's this child?
What the page number?
That nothing page. Who's this child? Please tell me. Kailina. Tell me who's this. Then only I can tell you. Kailina, please join before the time, okay? This is not page number, it's only on the screen. The fifth one. Anandet, can you read and tell me the answer with the question? Day and. Please read the question. Day and.
Night.
Very good.
Morning.
No.
Evening.
Wait. My God, I thought you're telling the answer. Which is the correct answer? Day and?
Night.
Good, but I showed you. Now, Archant, read sixth one and tell me the answer.
Paper.
No. Sixth question. No. Pencil and you tell only the answer. Don't read the choice. Pencil and what?
Pencil and paper.
Very good. Okay, now we go to the next one. I want everybody to take out your classwork note right now. Classwork note. For the next one. All must take. You have a double-rolled notebook. Please take out your classwork note. Everybody, a new new page, classwork. Yes, take out your classwork note, a new page. Write today's date in the margin. It is 10, 10, 9, 90. 10, 9, 90. Children, please hurry up, children. Yes, good, Abhisha. When I go back to the screen, you all are playing. Children, don't call in between and ask where to write and all that, because you have to join the class 5 minutes before the time, at least 10:25. Okay. Now, still some are joining. Please take your classwork note. In the margin, write today's date, 10-9. That's all. Now we are going to start. Now, please write capital A. Write capital A. Underline the special names in these sentences. You can do cursive. Listen to me and write neatly. Underline the special names in these sentences. Now, I want Ritik Pranav to read this sentence. Ritik Pranav, please read this sentence. Ritik, are you there, Ritik?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read this sentence from the screen.
The
Zoo
room
is
closed.
is
The
closed.
zoo is closed on Monday.
It's not Monday, Mondays. That S is missing there. Please write capital M, that is MONDAYS. You write, children, because you have to tell plural. The zoo is closed on all Mondays. Okay, that is, please write MONDAYS. Mondays. Okay, the zoo is closed on Mondays, all the Mondays. Like we have a holiday on Sundays. Like that, Mondays. Now, Ritik, can you tell me the special name in this?
Monday.
Very good. So you have to underline. Special name always, special names will start with a capital letter.
Wait.
Yes? Who's this? Excuse me. Who's this child? Please tell your name, because I can't go back to the picture and come back to the screen again. Then who spoke to me just now? Tell me. Nobody. Okay. Now, the zoo is closed on Mondays. Now, I want everybody to write. Those who finish, you don't worry about your birthday. This is general. Please write this. I want Sai Vasavi. Are you there, Sai Vasavi? Sai Vasavi. Yes. Yes. Good, Sai Vasavi. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, now, can you read the second sentence for me?
My birthday should we write in handwriting or classwork note, ma'am?
Rida, please, Rida, this is classwork. Classwork note. This is not handwriting or special class, Rida.
I'm written, ma'am.
Okay, now, my birthday is in June. So I was, children, you are not supposed to call in between. You have to join the class before time, please. We are losing time like this. All must join before time. 5 minutes before 10:30 last class. Now, my birthday is in June. Now, Sai Vasavi, can you tell me which is the special name here? Always special name will start with a capital letter, not that starting of a sentence because M by mine, but the name. Tell me the name over here, special name.
June.
Very good. Now listen, children, I'm not angry with you. I'm not scolding. Those who are joining late every day, but I think Rida's joining first time. Please listen to all the instructions first. Otherwise, it will be a big problem in between. Okay, now, please write neatly. Yes, I thank you. Now, next one is Tarush. To be Tarush.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you write these two answers?
No,
Yes or no? Tarush, did you write this?
no, ma'am.
Why? What is the reason? Tell me.
I was still writing, ma'am.
Please write now. Please write. I will wait. See, you are in second standard. Okay, good boy. Right. My birthday is in June. Right? No looking here and there. I can see you. Now, those who finished can write. Third question. Third sentence. It's not a question. Third sentence. Tion. Arush writes soon. Sorry, Tarush writes soon. Tion, can you read this for me? Third sentence. Tion, hurry up. Okay, now Taranish. Taranish. Children, please can you read? Who's that? Taranish, can you read this? Third sentence. Yeah, 1 minute. I want to see your face. Please turn on your camera. Please. Rosie went to the park. Now, can you tell me what is Rosie? Is it the name of a person? Name. So, which one we should underline? Special name. It's a special name. Tell me. Rosie. No. Park is a name. That's general. Rosie went to the park. It's a name of a person.
Rosie, ma'am.
Oh, Rosie. Good. Now I'm waiting for the children to complete these three sentences. Taranish, thank you. Now who's this boy standing there? No, that's Getsia. Taranish, almost turn on your camera. See, ma'am is getting tired of telling. Yes. Good. No need to show the book now, children. Then all will show. Now who's this? Let me see. Okay, Taranish, good. Judah, did you write all the three sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
You, because I have to go to the next one. Next page I have to show you. Yes, Judah. Good, Judah. Good. No need to leave any line. Akshara. Where is Akshara? I saw you just. I'm waiting for everybody to complete. Now, no need to. Okay, Tarinish, good. Now, don't show now. Abhisha. Yes, superb. She's showing superb.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Ma'am. Ma'am left the meeting.
Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Left the meeting.
Ma'am left the meeting.
Ma'am didn't left the meeting. Ma'am is here only. I saw it in. I saw.
No, ma'am is not here.
I'll see. No, ma'am is there will be 68. There I saw ma'am.
Ma'am is here.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
Ma'am left the
ma'am
meeting.
is there.
ma'am has network problem.
Ma'am is here.
Ma'am came. Ma'am came.
Yes, we'll go to that. 1 minute. Not ma'am came to when somebody is joining in between and it's getting cut. Even now, all are joining one by one. Okay, now wait. We'll go to the next one. Now, Cyrus, read this. Cyrus, please read.
Ma'am, I'm not finished the third one, ma'am.
Read this now. Okay, I'll go back to the third one. Please do. Yes, please finish it. Cyrus,
Yes, ma'am.
read the fourth one.
Goldilocks stopped.
Stop.
Look at the home.
Goldilocks. Please
Stop.
write, children. I will wait.
At the home.
Stop to look at the home. Listen now. Yes. Now we wait. Now tell me the special name over here.
Goldilocks.
Okay. Now please write neatly, children. Please write neatly. See who's that talking in Tamil over here? Who?
Ma'am, we forgot.
At the house or home? Yes, what is wrong? What happened?
We
Tell me who's, it's getting cut, breaking up.
forgot to mute the mic.
Class got cancelled, ma'am. They were like rejoining the class and the mic was not muted, ma'am.
1 minute, ma. Now tell me, ma'am. Sona, what happened, Sona?
Ma'am, the class got cut in between and I didn't notice. I was talking to somebody else
Okay,
and
okay.
reconnected the class, so the
You know
mic
what?
was not muted.
Yeah, in
ma'am.
between somebody was joining and I don't know, yesterday also it happened. In between they joined and they
No,
started
ma'am, we
presenting.
joined at the beginning itself.
Not you,
but
not
because
you.
of some net
No.
issues, it got disconnected.
Yeah, never mind.
So-
Not you, ma'am. Somebody
Okay.
else. Okay, not you.
Okay.
Even now. Okay. Now it's
Thank
okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah.
Sorry.
Never mind. Never mind. Now listen. Just see the screen. You can be to look at the house or home. House also is correct. Okay. Look at the house. Goldilocks. Stop to look at the house. House is a common name and Goldilocks special name. It's just to tell you what are the special names at the house or home. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now I'm waiting. Now I told Cyrus to read this. Cyrus, did you complete? I will wait, children. Don't get worried. I will wait. Yeah. Now only 5 sentences I'm giving you now. Those who are writing, you can write. Sorry. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Stop to look at the house. Home also is correct, home. But home means there is a slight difference. Home with house, but don't do anything, just write the same sentence. Doesn't make much difference. Now just see. We are dealing with the special names over here. So Goldilocks, that story you know. Now, let me ask one child whether they finished. Ritun Rajwell. Ritun? Yes? No. Punit Jain? Okay, Tarush? Yes, Punit? Did you complete all the 4 sentences?
yes, we have, ma'am.
Let me know who's this. Tarush? Excuse me. Only make children speak. Tarush, did you complete this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am. I
yes.
have
Okay,
completed.
now I'll show. 1 minute. I'll go to the next one. Not coming. Now let me see the children. Where is the second boy over here? Cyrus left already. Now I just want to know, Puneet finished. Artriga, did you complete? Did you complete all the 4 sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's getting cut. Now we'll see the 5th one. Please write neatly and slowly. Please write neatly and slowly. Now I want Alan to read this. Alan, please read. First you read.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read.
We will go to Chennai. We will go to Chennai during the winter break.
Very good. Now I will read. You all start writing. We
Thank you.
will go to Chennai during the winter break. Alan, can you tell me the special name over here? Special name.
Chennai.
Good. Now write slowly, children. I'm not in a hurry. Please write slowly. When you finish, you can copy. Just copy this sentence. We will go to Chennai during the winter break. It will take time because you're too small. You have to look at the screen and write. Next time I will draw only double ruled. Okay. Please write. We will go to Chennai during the winter break. During the winter break. We will go to Chennai. Write neatly, okay? You have one more sentence that I'll make you write. Tarush, write slowly, neatly. Look at the screen. Look at the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Good, Tarush. Good boy. I don't want to disturb you. That's what I'm not going to talk in between. Now, this is the last sentence, okay? I'm waiting. I'm not going to, because some children would have finished soon. They can copy this and get ready. That's all. I am not going to erase. I'm not going back to the previous one or next one. This is the last one. I want one girl. No, Sehan. Where is Sehan? Sehan. Excuse me. Not even one. Sehan has come. No, wait. Excuse me. I want Kanira to read this sentence, sixth one. Others can write fifth one slowly and neatly. Kanira, can you help me, Kanira?
Ma'am,
Please read sixth sentence.
Mary
Mary.
and here sister.
No. One minute. Mary and her sister.
Mary and her sister are in the library.
Library. Only one special name is there. One special name.
Mary, ma'am.
Very good. Mary. Now, slowly, neatly complete the work. Ma'am will wait. Everybody must write. Everybody. Come on. Mary and her sister. Write slowly. I'll wait for you. I'm not going away. And don't be going on screaming, thank you, thank you. Complete your work. Yes. Good. Now I'm just waiting for everybody. Cyrus, wait already. Time now. I'll just wait. Okay, now complete. After that, you must not complain. Sona, did you write all the 6 sentences? Already time, Sona. Sona, see how she switched. Okay, good children. Good. Good children. Those who finish can close. Don't say thank you. I'm waiting for everyone. Let everyone complete. I'm waiting for everyone.